So today we will study fifth chapter of science, acid, bases and salt. So acid, bases and salt you will be getting that same chapters you are having till class 10 also. So acid, bases and salt. So what are acid, what are base and what are salt, that we will study in this chapter. So acid, remember that any substance which contain acids are sour in taste. Sour in taste means khatta. Okay, the object which contain acids are sour. That means we can say that acids are sour in taste. Okay, if someone asks you what is the definition of acid, so you will say that uh, acid is those substance which contain hydrogen atom which is partially or wholly removed. Okay, partially or wholly can be removed during the time of reaction. Okay, acids are those substances which contain hydrogen. Fine. So any object which have acids, they are sour in taste and it contain hydrogen atom also. Like you have studied that till now scientists they have discovered 118 elements. 118 elements. So hydrogen, this way there are many more. Okay, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, potassium, magnesium. This way there are many more. Aluminium, then zinc, copper, gold, silver, platinum, uranium, there are many more. That means there are total 118 elements which we use in our day-to-day life. Not all the elements, but we use these elements in our day-to-day life. Like carbon dioxide, you have heard about carbon dioxide. We exhale carbon dioxide. When we breathe out, carbon dioxide is removed out. Carbon dioxide is CO2. That means it contains carbon and oxygen atom. So two atoms are there. When we talk about water, we drink water every day, right? So water is H2O. That means hydrogen and oxygens are there. So first of all, to understand this chapter, you should know you should know uh, elements and their symbols. Elements and their symbols. So you will be getting these elements and their symbols in any book. You can search it somewhere, or maybe I'll give you afterwards. So you have to by heart that one, and then we can study this chapter. So I'm showing you this table. You can write it afterwards. You can pause your video and you can write it. Okay, and you have to by heart this. So I'm showing you this. You can just pause your video and then you can write it. Okay. So here you can see atomic number is there, elements and their symbols. So you have to remember the name as well as symbols. Okay. This atomic number we will be using in class 9. Okay. So till 20, atomic number up to 20 serially I have given you. But after that it is random. So the things which the elements which we use in our day-to-day life, that I have given you here. Okay, rest of the thing you will be studying in higher classes. So you can see atomic number first. So you can see this is element, this is symbol. So atomic number 1 is hydrogen, and hydrogen is represented as H. Okay, now remember that these symbols and all have come from scientific name. That means hydrogen have some scientific name. From that they have extracted, and scientists they have written H. Okay. Now this names and all, laws and all, everything is made by a group of company. That means scientists. That corporation. That means that group is known association is known as IUPAC. UPAC. Okay, so that is called international. I, union, U, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Okay, so IUPAC. I think I have written somewhere here. You can see, or not. I don't remember also. IUPAC. No, it's not given. Okay, so you can remember IUPAC. IUPAC. International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. That is called IUPAC. So hydrogen, their symbol has been given by this government. That means scientists, chemistry's government. So that is called H. Okay, whole world they follow this law that is been given by IUPAC. Okay, so hydrogen is represented as capital H. If you write small h, it will be wrong. Helium, number 2 is helium. Helium is He, capital H, small e. First letter is always taken as capital, second is taken as small. Is it clear? Now, helium is He. We have not taken helium as H because if we take helium as H, they will become same and it will be difficult to understand that we are talking about hydrogen or helium. Okay? Like in a chemical reaction, we don't write this hydrogen, helium like this. Okay? We write the symbols. So you can come to, wait, let me tell you page number. You can come to page number 55. 55, on the left side, you can see there is written neutralization in everyday life. Just above that one, you can see HCl. You can see reaction is been given, HCl. Then next, NaOH. Can you see that? Page number 55. So NaOH, that means Na is one element, O is another element and H is another. So you have to by heart this symbol, then only you will understand that what are these things. Otherwise it will be difficult to understand. Okay, then you can see NaCl, then H2O. So this way formulas has been given. So same thing, same way you have to remember this symbols and all. Then only you can understand, otherwise it will be difficult. In higher classes we don't use like words, like suppose we don't write hydrogen, HYDROGEN, we write shortcut H. So you have to by heart the symbol, then only you will understand, otherwise it will be difficult. Okay, so now let's move further. Now third one is lithium. So up to 20 it is serial. Okay, serially it is been given. That means there is a table you have heard about, modern periodic table. A table is been given. Okay, so from that table up to 20 is been given serially. Why they are arranged this way, that you will be studying in higher classes. Okay, why hydrogen is taken as 1, why helium is taken as 2, why helium is not taken as 1. So everything you will be understanding in higher classes. Okay, so that's all belong to atomic number that you will study in the higher classes. So third number is lithium, symbol is Li. Same way number 4, beryllium, Be, boron, B. Okay, then many of you will be thinking that, sir, beryllium must be given as B and boron is next, so we should give as, that means beryllium is first, so we should give B. But boron is written next, so we should give something else, maybe BO or something. Like here hydrogen was written H, so next helium is He. Okay, so here also if we start from B, then it should be given as B and another one should be given